Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Khanzati. So in this today's video I'm going to teach you this summer top. Okay, so in this video I'm just going to teach you the pattern, not the full tutorial. Okay, for this pattern I have this hook number 3.0 millimeter and 3 ply yarn. For starting the pattern I'm just doing chains. For this pattern you need to make chains the multiple of 9 plus 2 at the end of the row. So make a size, take measurements of your size and then start doing chains the multiple of 9, and when you are finished the chains, then add extra 2 chains at the end of the pattern. Okay, so here I have done the chains the multiple of 9 plus 2. Okay, so now move to the first row of the pattern. For this row we are just doing the double crochet in each and every stitch. For this purpose skip 3 stitches, and from the 4th stitch start doing double crochet in each and every stitch. So this is just a border, or you can say the starting of the pattern. So if you like, you can skip this row. You can simply do the single crochet or just half double crochet border as well. Okay, so here the double crochet row is done. Now we will start doing the basic rows of the pattern. Okay, so this will be our first row of the pattern. For the first row you need to do simply 3 chains, turn your work, and 1 double crochet in the second stitch. So in start we have 2 stitches. One is 3 chains stitch and next is double crochet. Okay, so now move 4 chains, 1 2 3 4, and now skip 2 stitches and 1 single crochet in the third stitch, 1 2, and in the third stitch 1 single crochet. So again 4 chains, 1 2 3 4, again skip 2 stitches, 1 2, and from the third stitch make 4 double crochets in next 4 chains, next 4 stitches. So this is the basic multiple of the pattern: 2 double crochets, 4 chains, 1 single crochet, 4 chains, again 2 double crochets. So you just need to repeat this portion of the pattern again and again. So we are repeating from the start: 2 double crochet, again 1 2, now do 4 chains, 1 single crochet, and again 4 chains. Okay, so 1 2 3 4, skip 2 stitches, 1 2, and in the third stitch 1 single crochet, again 4 chains, 1 2 3 4, skip 2 stitches, and again in the third and fourth 2 double crochets. So just repeat this portion of the pattern again and again. Just continue the work. Okay, now we are at the end of the row. So in the end we will simply add 2 double crochets. Like in the start we have 2 stitches, so this will be the starting and the end. You can see here how I have done. So the basically is the multiple of 9. So if you start from doing 2 stitches, so your pattern will be same like me. Okay, so now move to the second row of the pattern. For this 3 chains, turn your work and 1 double crochet in the second stitch. Okay, so this is the starting and end will be the same. Okay, now 2 chains, 1 2, 1 single crochet in the second chain, 1 and 2. So in the second stage we will do simply a single crochet like this, tiny hole. Okay, so now 4 chains, 1 2 3 4, and again 1 single crochet in the third chain from the hook. So this is the third chain from the hook and the second chain from the double crochets. So here single crochet is done here. Okay, second from here and the third chain from the hook. Okay, now again 2 chains like in the start and do double crochets, 4 double crochets over 4 double crochets. So this is easy and you just need to remember the counting of the chains. Okay, here 4 double crochets done. Repeat again from the start, 2 chains, 1 single crochet, 4 chains, 1 single crochet, and again 2 chains. So just repeat this pattern again and again. Two rows of the pattern done. Now we will repeat row number 1 from here. So this is 2 rows pattern, just you need to repeat again and again. Okay, 3 chains, turn your work in 1 double crochet. So this is always the same starting and same end. Okay, now do 4 chains like we did in the first row. 4 chains, sorry, and 1 single crochet in the middle like we have done here. So this is the middle and we will do 1 single crochet over here and again 4 chains. So this is the loop. Now 4 chains, 1 2 3 4, and 4 double crochets over these 4 double crochets. So we are repeating here row number 1 by doing 4 chains, 1 single crochet, 4 chains, and again double crochets over the double crochets. Okay, so here I have done a piece of pattern in different color. You can see I have done few rows, just repeating these 2 rows again and again. So if you like my pattern, please subscribe my channel, like my video, and comment down